daar. Dat is een massage van die Karoo. But it wasn't matter. En welkom bij nog een amazing, awesome-revende episode van Leef met mij, Sari. En vandaag episode gaan die tires brand, die rook gaan staan en die refs is hoog. Want Jelle oma gaan verspinning. Haha, niet selfie. Oh no, ik zit shotgun. Maar nog steeds ervaring en iets wat ik nooit zou doen van tevoren nie. Maar ek is nou gereed, want ek vat vir julle saam mee op hierdie journey. Want op 'n van die dag, die enigste doel is dat ons wil net bly leef. So waarvoor wag ons? Kom ons gaan leef. Julle, ons is hier bij de Diamond Farm in Cape Town. En vandaag ga ik nog een 4 overkomen. Ik is hier vandaag om te... Wat spin, hè?
Ja, spinning.
Dus ons gaan spin vandaag. Right, that's it. First question. Am I gonna die?
No, you're not gonna die. This is a very safe sport.
Is it safe? Why you so making sure that this is safe sport?
Because that's the first thing we do. We make sure everything is safe and secure before we go to anything else. Before we go on the pitch, before we test the cars, anything like that.
Yeah.
Make sure everything is safe.
Okay guys, so net so julle weet, ons staan hier binne aan die Diamond Garage. Hier word die karre, die manne bou self the engines and fix everything. So there's no hulle safety guarantee aan my. So if I die, that's Rick. Nee? That's Rick. Ismail, question for you ook. For how long have you been spinning in particular, you?
I've been driving around about 5-6 years.
5-6 years?
Yeah.
And you how old?
I'm 23.
Ay, yeah, so you were very young to spin jou klaar die karre rond.
Yeah.
Okay. Weet wat, nee? I've noticed from social media, some people, they are very against the spinning and stuff like that. So, do you guys feel that people are being unfair towards this sports kind in comparison to other sports kinds? Because I mean, we all support rugby, we all like soccer and stuff like that, but then it's spinning, people like, nah, no spinning. So do you guys feel that people are being unfair teenoor die sport en hoekom dink jy mense is unfair teenoor spinning?
You see, I feel that they are very unfair to spinning because it is an aggressive sport.
Yeah.
It is a wild sport, but once it's contained by proper people and stuff, everything will go well. If it's handled well, secured well,
Yeah.
there's marshals around, everything it will go perfect. Nothing will go wrong. This is a very cultural sport.
Yeah.
Like it came actually from Cape Town. It was brought up here. You got spinning now in Johannesburg, you got spinning in...
People are spinning everywhere.
Everywhere.
My ex, weekend, if he make me mad, he spin in front of my deer. Met the golfie. As a kaka. But, Tazrik, you said something very, very beautiful now. You said it's an aggressive sport. And it looks very aggressive.
Yeah.
Because I see people hanging out the door.
Yeah.
Some guys put their leg out and do this in the door. But what you just mentioned now is very powerful. You said once it's being monitored and handled
Yes.
and supervised by the proper people,
Yes.
it's actually innocent sport.
Yes.
Okay, so Tazrik, I think it's time that we hit the pitch.
Come, let's go.
What do you think?
Let's go.
You go first.
Okay.
I'll follow you guys. Go.
Thank you, man. Right? Masari, you ready?
Yeah?
Come, we're gonna get it?
Me with you?
Yes.
Ah.
Come, it's gonna be fun.
No, it's fun.
Just come.
I don't wanna die.
Come, you're not gonna die.
Promise me.
Be safe with me.
Yes, I'm not gonna die. Look there, the camera. Witnesses. If I die, to die. Move him. Ek kan nie glo ek het so pas in die kar gesit waar het so woes gegaan het. Dit is hot. Maar ek moet sê het was amazing. That was amazing. Ek wil gryp, maar daar's fokol om aan te grypie want dit gaat net so. Dit gaat net so. Amazing. Die adrenaline was daar. En soos gewoonlik het ek weer gepie, maar net 3 druppels. Was nie baie nie. Net 3 druppels gepie. Maar ja, dit was amazing. As jy nog eens spin probeer het, gee het 'n kans, maar vandag, vir nou, as ek is klaar met die kak. Nou ja, all in the nutshell, soos Engelse man sal sê. What the experience. Bietjie nerve-wracking, but it was nice. Dis ons episode vir hierdie week. Tot volgende keer.
No, Masari. That isn't how it works at the Asics place. You've got to get the full experience.
What now?
You're going to drive yourself.
Wie?
See?
I drive.
Yes.
What now, right?
Yeah.
I'm sick.
Don't worry about sick. Ons het maar sy na binne. Ons gaan dit nou
Ja, my ma. Ja, my ma. En dan maar staat ons op flow first.
Yeah, we're not. No, slow. Nothing of slow. Hey. So what we'll do is I'm gonna start the car for you. Clutch in. We're gonna put second gear. You're gonna turn the wheel as far lock as you can. Release the clutch and just put your foot flat on the throttle. do 2-3 donuts, you'll take off the throttle, press the clutch in and put your foot on the brakes.
Nou ja, as a spinning champion, ek is emotional. Dis my regte op hy sê, as a champion. Ek kan nie die gevoel beskryf nie, maar ek het geleef. Dis ons episode vir hierdie week. Tot volgende keer. Same time, same face, different place. En onthou om te leef.